Hi everyone, I'm Sam Amos. I'm a Senior Innovation Scientist with Griffith Foods.
And I'm David Crockett, Associate Innovation Scientist with Griffith Foods.
Today we're going to give an overview of the microbiome and digestive system and talk about why it's important to have good gut health. So what are bacteria? Bacteria are microscopic single-celled organisms that exist in the environment as well as in the human body. Their cell structure is simpler than that of other organisms, as there is no nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. A lot of these bacteria cells are found in the lining of the digestive system. They can also be found in every habitat on Earth, including soil, rocks, the ocean, and even Arctic snow. And there are approximately 10 times as many bacterial cells as human cells in the body.
So, your digestive system is made up of the gastrointestinal tract, or known as the GI tract, or just your digestive tract for short. That includes your liver, your pancreas, your gallbladder. Bacteria in your GI tract, they help with the gut flora or your microbiome, and this also helps with digestion. You have your bad bacteria, which are generally pathogens. Good bacteria, they help to produce fermented foods such as yogurt, soy sauce, which benefit the gut. So let's take a little bit of a road trip through your gut. As you eat a slice of pizza, your teeth will obviously chew the food. The saliva in your mouth will help break down the food, and that tongue will help transport that food to the esophagus, which will then move the food down to your stomach. When it reaches the stomach acid will start to break down the food even more with the help of your liver, your gallbladder, and your pancreas. It's important to note that as your food begins to move through the small and large intestines, the food will break down into, necessary nutrients, water for your body, and separate the waste away, which is then excreted by the body.
So like David was just saying, you have some bad bacteria, such as those that cause food spoilage, crop damage on farms, or foodborne illnesses. And then you also have good bacteria that are microorganisms that are good for your gut. So they can be found in fermented vegetables and dairy products, such as yogurt or buttermilk. So gut health matters for a few different reasons. It can help boost your immunity, so that can help you not be sick. It can help with digestion when you're eating. It affects your mental health, so it can help with anti-anxiety and anti-stress and help you be happier. It can also help with your sleep and help with your skin health. So your digestive system and your gut health really affects all of these different other systems in your body.
What are probiotics? Live microorganisms that provide a health benefit when consumed. Common probiotics are sauerkraut, kombucha, yogurt, or miso soup. Common types of probiotics include Saccharomyces, bifidobacterium, or Bacteria lactobacillus. So, what are prebiotics? Prebiotics are what help probiotics thrive in the gut. Prebiotics are essentially the food for probiotics. So, what are some common prebiotic foods that you guys can consume at home? Apples, asparagus, you can cook with garlic and onions. You can use bananas and oatmeal and a smoothie that you'll actually learn a little bit about later. Prebiotics are non digestible, fermentable fibers that influence the composition of the intestinal microbiota. They also produce short chain fatty acids and make gases which can be used for energy.
All right, so that was our overview of the microbiome and gut health. And please stay tuned for part 2, where you'll learn about fiber content in foods and the products in the grocery store that you can buy.
Thanks for listening.
And thanks, everyone.